in this first of the four modules, module 16, we're going to be covering image processing, which I actually like because I like the idea of playing with images, and I like graphics and graphic design. And I think the science of the representation of images on the screen is actually pretty interesting. So we're going to get into those concepts. Today I'm going to do a few things. I'm going to start out with kind of introducing you to the conceptual framework of how images are represented. I'm not going to go super deep on it, but you do need to understand how images work and how images are represented as data so that you understand what it is we're doing to the images as we change them. So we're going to start out with that. And then I'm going to introduce you to something called the image module actually it's called Pillow. Python image library is what the PIL stands for. So that library is going to allow us to do some really pretty powerful things with images once you understand how it works. So I'm going to start out with a basic introduction to that today, and I'm going to show you some of the things that Pillow can do, some of the methods and functions that are in part of that library. And then on the next class period, we'll actually come back and dig a little bit deeper, but I'm also going to show you how to create filters like you might see on Instagram or Snapchat or some of those apps. And I can't do like a filter that makes you look 20 years younger or anything like that. We're not going to get that advanced, but we're just going to apply some filters that you might see that make the film look like it's an old-fashioned or an aged photograph or something like that, or just give it a unique style. So that's kind of where we're headed. And the end game here is an app that can actually open images, apply filters to them, and save the images. So you'll be able to do that by the end of the week.